How to become a data scientist in the UK. The United Kingdom is a great place to work if you want to be employed as a data scientist. There isn't a shortage of exciting job opportunities, and some of the best-known AI firms in the world are British. DeepMind, Benevolent AI, Oxbotica, 5AI, the Alan Turing Institute are some of the most renowned names in the field that are domiciled in the UK. In this video, we'll try to delineate the typical profile of the UK data scientist based on our findings from our research on 303 LinkedIn profiles. We'll define the following. Which is the programming language preferred by data scientists in the UK? How many years of working experience they have on average? Which is the industry they work in? And what is their academic degree? But before we do that, let's talk a bit more about how you can get a data science job in the UK, shall we? There are an estimated 1 million data science and analytics professionals in the UK as of 2020, so we can firmly state that's definitely a popular career path in Britain. So, how can you start your job search? Finding a job through recruiters is a common practice in the UK. However, if you don't have any prior experience, or if you are a relatively junior candidate, you might have to rely on applications through company websites and job boards. If you're wondering where to start, make sure you visit some of the most popular job board websites in the UK, such as reed.co.uk, monster.uk, Total Jobs, Indeed, and Adzuna. No matter if you choose recruiter services or you do your own search, if you are not a British citizen, make sure you visit the gov.uk website, where you can get familiar with the post-Brexit requirements and types of work visas you need to work in the UK. With that out of the way, let's discuss remuneration. According to Glassdoor, the typical data scientist salary in the UK is £45,000. That's based on a sample of 822 salaries. But keep in mind that the reported salaries range is quite wide, between £30,000 and £70,000 per year. A careful look on Glassdoor would allow you to see that large tech companies tend to pay a much higher compensation compared to other firms offering jobs in the field. What about education? What are the best universities offering data science degrees? The United Kingdom is one of the leading destinations for people who want to earn a data science and analytics degree. According to Forbes columnist Bernard Marr, the Imperial College in London, with its Masters in Business Analytics, and the University of Bath's Masters in Data Science, can be ranked in the top 10 in the world in terms of best Masters in Data Science programs. Here's a short list of some other highly reputed UK universities offering analytics and data science degrees: the University of Edinburgh, the King's College of London, the University of Manchester, the University of Bristol, the University of Glasgow, and the University of Birmingham. Something important to take note of is that the master's programs in these universities start from £22,500 and go up to £35,600 in the Imperial College in London, and that may not be within everyone's price range. In addition, one of the admission criteria for international students is a proof of English proficiency, typically measured with TOEFL and IELTS exams. Another intriguing fact is that if you want to become a data scientist in the UK, chances are you need a master's or a PhD qualification. You can have a bachelor's degree and work as a data scientist, but according to our data, there are fewer people who are able to do that, only 9%, compared to 52% with a master's and 34% with a PhD degree. Very interesting stuff, right? Now, let's try to delineate the typical data scientist profile in the UK, as we said we will do in the beginning of the video. In terms of programming languages preferred by UK data scientists, similarly to what we see in most other countries, Python is in the lead. The second place is held by R, and SQL comes in third. According to the data, there are much fewer UK data scientists using Java. And if you're looking for one single and affordable place to master Python, R, and SQL together, with all the other in-demand skills you need to become a data scientist, we've got you covered. We developed the 365 Data Science program to help people of all backgrounds enter the field of data science. We have trained more than 900,000 people around the world and are committed to continue doing so. If you are interested to learn more, you can find a link in the description that will also give you a special offer on all of our plans. Alright, it's time to talk about years on the job. The most pressing question being, do you have to be a seasoned veteran to be a data scientist in the UK? Not exactly. 11% of the profiles we studied had between 0 and 12 months of work experience on the job. Another 20% of professionals became data scientists less than 2 years ago. And then another 29% listed between 2 and 3 years of experience. This goes to show that people employed as data scientists didn't have decades of experience, and a significant number started in their current position relatively soon. Now that you know what you need to become a data scientist, let's explore the cities and industries in the UK with the best career opportunities. A single comparison on Indeed.co.uk shows what we already knew. London offers by far the most data scientist job opportunities in the UK. The difference with other major cities is significant. When we searched, we saw 811 job openings in London, 45 in Manchester, 26 in Birmingham, 18 in Leeds, and only 12 in Glasgow. So that's something you should bear in mind if you want to be a data scientist. The number of opportunities London offers is significantly higher. London is one of the most important financial centres in the world, but when it comes to top industries for data science, our numbers showed that most people employed as data scientists in the UK work in technology and IT, a whole 60%. Compared to that number, there are fewer data scientists employed in finance, a modest 16%. Still, the field is rapidly evolving. Perhaps the finance industry hasn't caught up to the opportunities data science can offer, and over time, the relative percentage of finance-employed data scientists will increase to remedy that. Now you know what it takes to become a data scientist in the UK, how to begin your job search, and which cities and industries provide the best chances of landing your dream job. And remember, even the greatest was once a beginner, so don't be afraid to take the first step. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends. And if you'd like to become an expert in all things data science, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and good luck.